Roughly, the healthcare industry costs Americans billions of dollars each year and should be properly regulated and enforced for their unfair claims. How many of us have been to the hospital and realized that the incredible medical bills that pile up? Well, the truth is, many patients are overpaying for medical treatments and claims against their insurance, which could be a part of the growing crime of healthcare. Healthcare fraud is expected to get tens of billions of dollars every year. The FBI also reports recent cases show that medical professionals continue and may be more willing to risk patient harm in the furtherance of their scheme. Although there are many different types of healthcare fraud, the ones that have been reported, this informative speech will mostly touch on three main types, which include billing for services not rendered, upcoding of services, and upcoding of items and supplies. Billing for services not rendered can involve forging the signature of those enrolled in Medicare, and the use of bribes or what is known as kickbacks to corrupt medical professionals. Kickbacks and bribes are gifts to doctors, surgeons, by vendors, and other third parties to use their product, whatever the cost may be to the patient. This creates a fraud because the patient has no idea of the services that are being rendered, and even more, the patient does not have an idea what the cost of care being provided is. Next, billing insurances and individuals for services that are more costly than the actual procedures that were done, exaggerating costs due to gray areas of the billing system, allowing the institution to charge and describe unfaithfully. The use of less expensive products but claiming to use the more expensive products in order to maximize their profit. Similar is also the upcoding of services, but this also involves the use of medical equipment. Some of medical equipment may be unnecessary. The use of lower cost items and billing another. And giving x-rays for minor injuries like an echo diagram for a sprained ankle. The healthcare system, in conclusion, is a fairly large system with little security measures, and in my opinion, it is the reason why fraud is so prevalent in it. The fact is that it can be so easily undetected, it itself creates a larger issue of fraud. There should be more appropriate measures taken to handle this type of fraud that affects all people of the United States. Thank you.